Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sailors and the Seas. Friends, in this video we will discuss most important 60 questions of refresher PSCRB which are frequently being repeated in the exit exam. Question number 1. The liquid in the wet card compass is a mixture of option A distilled water and pure ethyl alcohol, option B distilled water and isopropyl alcohol, option C distilled water and methyl alcohol, option D none of the above. So correct answer will be A distilled water and pure ethyl alcohol. Next question. Question number 2. The number of lifebuoys on a cargo ship of length less than 100 meters is option A 4, option B 6, option C 8 and option D 10. So correct answer will be option C 8. Next question. Question number 3. The duration of the buoyant smoke marker is option A 1 minute, option B 10 minute, option C 15 minute, option D 3 minute. So correct answer will be D 3 minute. Next question. Question number 4. Which of the following is or are the SOLAS requirements for buoyant smoke signals? Option A. Emit smoke for a period of not less than 3 minutes when floating in calm water. Option B. Not emit any flame during the entire smoke emission time. Option C. Continue to emit smoke when submerged in water for a period of 10 seconds under 100 mm of water. Option D. All of the above. So correct answer will be D. All of the above. Next question. Question number 5. Which of the following is or are the SOLAS requirements for hand flares? Option A. Have a burning period of not less than 1 minute. Option B. Burn with a luminous intensity of not less than 15,000 candela. Option C. Continue to burn after having been immersed for a period of 10 seconds under 100 mm of water. Option D. All of the above. So correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Question number 6. Which of the following is or are the SOLAS requirements for rocket parachute flares? Option A. The rocket shall, when fired vertically, reach an altitude of not less than 300 meters. Option B. Burn uniformly with an average luminous intensity of not less than 30,000 candela. Option C. Have a burning period of not less than 40 seconds. And option D. All of the above. So correct answer will be D. All of the above. Next question. Question number 7. The breaking strength of line throwing appliances should not be less than option A 2 kilonewton, option B 4 kilonewton, option C 6 kilonewton and option D 8 kilonewton. So answer will be A 2 kilonewton. Next question. Question number 8. Which of the following statements is true concerning life jackets? Option A. Buoyant vests may be substituted for life jackets. Option B. Life jackets are designed to turn an unconscious person's face clear of the water. Option C. Life jackets must always be worn with the same side facing outwards to float properly. Option D. Lightly stained or faded life jackets will fail in the water and should not be used. So correct answer will be B. Life jackets are designed to turn an unconscious person's face clear of the water. Next question. Question number 9. HELP position stands for option A. Heat exchange lessening posture. Option B. Heat exchange lessening period. Option C. heat exchange lessening point. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer is A, heat exchange lessening posture. Next question. Question number 10. Passenger vessel 240 meters and over in length should have. Option A, 8 lifebuoys. Option B, 12. Option C, 20. And option D, 30. So correct answer will be D, 30. Next question. Question number 11. Sea anchor is used to reduce the dash of survival craft. Option A, fuel consumption. Option B, ETA. Option C, drift rate. And option D, none of the above. So correct answer will be C, drift rate. Next question. Question number 12. Body loses its heat dash times faster when immersed in cold water. Option A, 10. Option B, 20. Option C, 25. And option D, 36. So correct answer will be C, 25. Next question. Question number 13. Which one of the listed requirements regarding the use of an immersion suit do not correspond to present regulations? The suit is. Option A, it is provided with arrangements to minimize or reduce free air in the legs of the suit. Option B, it can be unpacked and donned without assistance within 2 minutes. Option C, it is sufficient built-in buoyancy to avoid the use of a life jacket. Option D, it will cover the whole body with the exception of the face. So answer will be C, it is sufficient built-in buoyancy to avoid the use of a life jacket. Next question. Question number 14. Match the term TPA with most suitable answers given below. Option A, divot launch. Option B, whistle. Option C, protection against cold. And option D, abandon ship. Correct answer will be C, protection against cold. Next question. Question number 15. The duration of hand flares is. Option A, 1 minute. Option B, 10 minutes. Option C, 15 minutes. And option D, 30 minutes. So correct answer is A, 1 minute. Next question. Question number 16. Radar reflector is provided in. Option A, lifeboat. Option B, rescue boat. Option C, life raft. And option D, lifeboats and life rafts. So correct answer is D, lifeboats and life rafts. Next question. Question number 17. Which of the following statements concerning immersion suits is false? Option A, they should be worn while working on deck if the possibility of being washed overboard. Option B, the suit is received from the manufacturer in a bag intended to be used for storage of the suit on board ship. Option C, during the annual maintenance, the front zipper should be lubricated according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Option D, a puncture in the suit will destroy the protective qualities against hypothermia. So correct answer will be A, they should be worn while working on deck if the possibility of being washed overboard. Next question 18. Safe lifting signal, arm raised above the horizontal and thumbs up. Option A, do not hoist, not ready. B, hoist ready. Option C, good night. Option D, goodbye. So answer will be B, hoist ready. Next question. Question number 19. The minimum length of the rescue boat is. Option A, 3.8 meters. Option B, 8.5 meters. Option C, 5 meters. Option D 7.3 meters. So correct answer will be A 3.8 meters. Next question. Question number 20. The minimum length of the lifeboat is option A 3.8 meter, option B 8.5 meter, option C 5 meters, and option D 7.3 meters. So correct answer will be D 7.3 meters. Next question. Question number 21. Battery used for EPIRB have very long shelf life of option A 2 years or more, option B 3 years or more, option C 5 years or more, and option D 8 years or more. So correct answer will be 5 years or more. Next question. Question number 22. Cargo vessel 200 meters and over in length should have option A 8 life buoys, option B 12 life buoys, option C 10 life buoys, option D 14 life buoys. So answer will be D 14 life buoys. Next question. Question number 23. Match the term life jacket with most suitable answers given below. Option A David launch, option B whistle and SI light, option C protection against cold, and option D all of the above. So correct answer will be B whistle and SI light. Next question. Question number 24. Searchlight provided on the survival craft should be capable of working for a total period of option A 3 hours, option B 6 hours, option C 8 hours, option D 10 hours. Answer will be B 6 hours. Next question. Question number 25. The searchlight on a survival craft must be capable of operating 3 hours continuously or 6 hours intermittently if operated in cycles of option A 5 minutes on and 10 minutes off, option B 10 minutes on and 5 minutes off, option C 15 minutes on and 5 minutes off, option D 15 minutes on and 10 minutes off. So answer will be C 15 minutes on and 5 minutes off. Next question. Question number 26. The number 2 lifeboat on a tanker would be found option A on the port side, option B on the starboard side, option C aft of number 1 lifeboat port side, and option D aft of number 1 lifeboat starboard side. So answer will be A on the port side. Next question. Question number 27. The number 2 lifeboat on a tanker would be option A aft number 1 lifeboat port side, option B forwardmost on the port side, option C aft number 1 lifeboat starboard side, and option D forwardmost on the starboard side. So answer will be B forwardmost on the port side. Next question. Question number 28. Safe lifting signal, arms extended horizontally, fingers clenched and thumbs down. Option A do not hoist, not ready. B hoist, ready. Option C good night. Option D goodbye. So correct answer will be B hoist, ready. Next question. Question number 29. An emergency sea anchor may be constructed by using option A boat bucket, option B an air tank filled with water, option C oar and canvas weighted down, option D all of the above. So answer will be D all of the above. Next question 30. Life jackets have the following attached to it: whistle and retroreflective tape, B SI light and whistle, option C SI light, whistle and retroreflective tape. Option D, SI light and retroreflective tape. So answer will be C, SI light, whistle and retroreflective tape. Next question. Question number 31. Anti-exposure suit shall permit the person wearing it to, option A, climb up and down a vertical ladder of at least 5 meters in length. Option B, jump from a height of not less than 4.5 meters into the water. Option C, swim through the water at least 25 meters and board a survival craft. And option D, all of the above. So all options are correct. Answer will be D, all of the above. Next question. Question number 32. SARTs are designed to work with dash radar. Option A, S-band radar. Option B, X-band radar. Option C, both S-band and X-band. And D, none of the above. So correct answer will be B, X-band. Next question. Question number 33. The drinking water provided in packets in all survival crafts has a shelf life of, option A, 1 year, option B, 2 years, option C, 3 years, and option D, 5 years. Correct answer will be D, 5 years. Next question. Question number 34. Which statement about immersion suits is true? Option A, not all models will automatically turn an unconscious person face up in the water. Option B, the immersion suit reduces the rate of body cooling and increases the survival time in cold water to hours or days. Option C, immersion suit is flameproof and provides protection to a wearer swimming in the burning oil. Option D, it provides full range of body movement and is suitable for routine wear on deck. Answer will be B, the immersion suit reduces the rate of body cooling and increases the survival time in cold water to hours or days. Next question. Question number 35. Safe lifting signal. Arm raised above the horizontal and thumbs up. Option A, do not hoist, not ready. B, hoist, ready. Option C, good night. Option D, goodbye. So answer will be B, hoist, ready. Next question. Question number 36. All Modu personnel should be familiar with, option A, boarding and operating procedures. Option B, maintenance schedule. Option C, navigational systems. Option D, fuel consumption rates. Answer will be A, boarding and operating procedures. Next question. Question number 37. The capacity of lithium batteries should be enough to last for dash when activated. Option A, 2 hours. Option B, 4 hours. Option C, 24 hours. Option D, 48 hours. Answer will be D, 48 hours. Next question. Question number 38. The number of lifebuoys in a passenger vessel more than 180 meter but less than 240 meter. Option A, 18. Option B, 24. Option C, 30. And option D, 12. So correct answer will be B, 24. Next question, 39. In normal conditions, in interior spaces, the minimum sound pressure levels for broadcasting emergency announcements shall be, option A, 50 decibel, option B, 100 decibel, option C, 75 decibel, and option D, none of the above. So correct answer will be C, 75 decibel. Next question, 40. In normal conditions, in exterior spaces, the minimum sound pressure levels for broadcasting emergency announcements shall be, option A, 50 decibel, option B, 100 decibel, option C 75 decibel, and option D 80 decibel. So correct answer will be D, 80 decibel. Next question. Question number 41. Seasickness is caused by rolling or rocking motions which affect the fluids in the option A stomach, option B lower intestine, option C inner ear, option D bladder. So correct answer will be C, inner ear. Next question. Question number 42. Luminous intensity of hand flares should not be less than option A 15,000 candela, option B 20,000 candela, option C 25,000 candela, and option D none of the above. So answer will be A 15,000 candela. Next question 43. The marine evacuation system shall be capable of transfer of persons from ship within option A 5 minutes in the case of a passenger ship, B 10 minutes in the case of a passenger ship, C 20 minutes in the case of a passenger ship, D 30 minutes in the case of a passenger ship. Answer will be D 30 minutes. Next question 44. The maximum length of a rescue boat, option A 8.5 meter, option B 7.3 meter, option C 3.8 meter, option D none of the above. So correct answer will be A 8.5 meter. Next question. Question number 45. The duration of life jacket self-igniting light is option A 4 hours, option B 5 hours, option C 6 hours, and option D 8 hours. So correct answer will be D 8 hours. Next question 46. The luminous intensity of life jacket light, option A 0.25 candela, option B 0.50 candela, option C 0.75 candela, option D 0.85 candela. Answer will be C 0.75 candela. Next question. Question number 47. How many buoyant smoke signals are available in life raft? Option A 2, option B 4, option C 6, and option D. Question number 48. The quantity of water supplied to each person per day on lifeboat is option A 1 liter, option B 2 liter, option C 1.5 liter, option D 3 liters. Answer will be C 1.5 liter. Next question. Question number 49. What is the range of SART for detecting aircraft? Option A 10 nautical miles, option B 20 nautical miles, option C 30 nautical miles, and option D none of the above. So correct answer will be C 30 nautical mile. Next question 50. SART lithium battery voltage. Option A 2 volt, option B 4 volt, option C 5 volt, and option D none. So correct answer is C 5 volt. Next question. Question number 51. The immersion suit does not allow the body temperature to drop by more than dash when immersed for a period of dash when the water temperature is between 0 and 2 degrees. Option A 2 degrees 4 hours, option B 2 degrees 6 hours, option C 1 degree 4 hours, option D 1 degree 6 hours. So correct answer will be B. Next question. Question number 52. Your small vessel is broken down and rolling in heavy seas. You can reduce the possibility of capsizing by option A rigging a sea anchor, option B constantly shifting the rudder, option C moving all personnel forward and low, option D moving all personnel aft. So answer will be A rigging a sea anchor. Next question. Question number 53. Which statement concerning homing signals in GMDSS is false? Option A. A homing signal provides a bearing for rescue personnel to follow to the signal's source. Option A. B. A homing signal is detected by the COSPAS SARSAT satellites. Option C. A homing signal cannot be detected by a GPS receiver. Option D. A homing signal may be transmitted by equipment attached to the survival craft. Answer will be B. A homing signal is detected by SARSAT satellite. Question number 54. Which visual distress signal is acceptable for daylight use only? Option A. Handheld red flare. Option B. Self-contained rocket propelled parachute red flare. Option C. Handheld orange smoke distress flare. Option D. Red aerial pyrotechnic flare. Answer will be C. Handheld orange smoke distress flare. Next question. Question number 55. How can a shot's effective range be maximized? Option A. The shot should be placed in water immediately upon activation. Option B. The shot should be held as high as possible. Option C. Switch the shot into the high power position. Option D. If possible, the shot should be mounted horizontally so that its signal matches that of the searching radar signal. Answer will be B. The shot should be held as high as possible. Next question. Question number 56. Your vessel has 3 lifeboats on each side. The aftermost boat on the starboard side is designated as boat number. Option A 6, option B 5, option C 3 and option D 3 starboard. Answer will be B 5. Question 57. What is the first action in case of man overboard? Option A throw a life buoy. Option B inform bridge. Option C raise alarm. Option D none of the above. So correct answer will be A. Question number 58. All pyrotechnics have a shelf life of option A 48 months, option B 3 years, option C 5 years, option D none of the above. So correct answer will be A 48 months. Next question. Question number 59. VHF EPIRB is designed to be used in which area? Option A area A1, option B area A1 to A2, option C area A4, option D none of the above. So correct answer will be A area A1. Next question. Question number 60. What should you do as soon as you enter a life raft? Option A drink a gallon of water. Option B take anti-seasickness tablet. Option C use fishing tackle and fish. Option D all of the above. So answer will be B take anti-seasickness tablet.